In the grand scheme of evolution, the future of smartphones unfolds like an exciting sci-fi novel. The Nokia X500 5G 2024 is not just a chapter in this narrative, but a whole volume unto itself. Imagine a device that features a Super AMOLED full touchscreen spanning 6.9 inches with a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels. Not only does this provide a stunning crisp display, but it offers a visual experience like no other. The Nokia X500 5G 2024 is not just about the visuals though, it's about capturing them. With a back camera that boasts quad 200MP plus 32MP plus 16MP plus 5MP rear cameras, and a 64MP front camera, it's a photographer's paradise. Zeiss optics, LED flash, panorama and HDR are just a few features that elevate the photo quality to a professional level. Compact, yet powerful, the Nokia X500 5G 2024 is a marvel of engineering. Its dimensions are 171.4 x 79.7 x 9.1 mm, fitting comfortably in the palm of your hand, yet it's packed with an octa-core CPU and a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. With an Adreno 670 GPU and Android 14 OS, it offers smooth, efficient performance that rivals even the most high-end smartphone models. Memory will never be a concern with the Nokia X500 5G 2024. It comes with either 256GB 12GB RAM or 512GB 16GB RAM. And although it does not have a card slot, the ample internal memory ensures that you'll never run out of space for your apps, games, and multimedia files. The Nokia X500 5G 2024 is powered by a Li polymer 6200 mAh non-removable battery, which supports fast battery charging, quick charge 4.0+, and wireless charging. This means you can stay connected longer and recharge faster when you need to. In terms of connectivity, the Nokia X500 5G 2024 doesn't disappoint. It supports 2G, 3G, 4G and 5G bands and comes with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3 and NFC capabilities. It also features a USB Type-C 2.0 port and supports OTG. The Nokia X500 5G 2024 is not just a smartphone, it's a revolution. With a sleek design, powerful features, and a price tag of around $420, it's a game-changer in the world of smartphones. In summary, the Nokia X500 5G 2024 is a device that offers superior display, exceptional camera quality, impressive performance, ample memory, extended battery life, and comprehensive connectivity options. It's not just the future of smartphones, it's the future in your hands.